What's up, friend? Today I'm going to show you how to layer Jello by making this layered strawberry dessert recipe. Stay tuned because I'm sharing some tips too. I'll start with the transparent layer. The first step is to bloom our gelatin. Prepare 3.5 cups of water and put half cup of white sugar to add some sweetness to the layer. Mix 25 grams of white or clear unflavored gelatin powder. Mix well. Boil for 5 minutes or wait until it boils. Gelatin can be flavored in many ways. You can add fruit juices or extracts too. But since we have fresh strawberries, we'll cut a few pieces to complement the design and use the fruits to add flavor to this layer instead. To create a layer, you need to let the first layer of Jello cool down before adding the next layer. So, we'll set this aside while we work on our top layer. The top layer is a strawberry milk flavor. We'll start by blooming the gelatin in a bowl. This time with 2 cups all-purpose cream to help stabilize the gelatin and complement the sweetness of our next ingredient, half cup condensed milk. And lastly, put 2 cups evaporated milk. Add 25 grams of strawberry-flavored gelatin, so we don't have to create a strawberry flavor profile from scratch. Boil the mixture for 5 minutes or wait until it boils. Pour over the first layer of gelatin. That's it! Feel free to add toppings such as chocolates, candies, or even fresh fruits. Yum! Another craving satisfied! What other cravings do you have? Share your recipe ideas in the comment section below so we can make it in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video made you hungry. Thanks for watching! See you in the next video!